Hi everyone. If you feel that art is only for creative and talented people, then you're completely wrong. If you had a stressful day or a long day, then you just need to grab a pen, paper, and some colors. That's it. So let's begin. Here we have a masking tape in square shape. So now I'll be giving a paint wash of creamish yellow and I'll paint the entire background with it so that here we can create our Zentangle patterns. Now remove the masking tape carefully and draw some squares of equal sizes. Under each square, let's start drawing some curved Zentangle patterns in S shape. So here I draw the first one and then I join it in the second one and make it as an S shape. So similarly, you have to keep doing it for all these squares that you see vertically and horizontally such that the curves intersect with each other, creating a very unique pattern. So under this pattern we will have some of the other Zentangles drawn as well. So if you can see here, we have an S shape horizontally going around. Now keep repeating it so that entire squares are filled up with such patterns, and this we will be using it later. I have traced all the borders with black pen of 0.8. Now I take 0.1 mm Fineliner pen and start filling in with curved lines. As you can see that I am leaving some gaps so that it can create some pattern. Now start filling in all the curved Zentangles with the curved lines with some gaps that we see here, and similarly repeat the process for all the Zentangle curves. Now let's start filling in some circles where we don't see any intersections of the curves and tangles. This is very therapeutic. I have already created some reference patterns so that we know what we are trying to achieve. So now I'll use my Fineliner pen again of 0.8 mm and I'll start doing the borders of flowers and Zentangle. I have used itsy bitsy black color pencil because this is highly pigmented and this gives me the desired result, and also I did not want to use paints anymore, so I decided to use a color pencil for filling. Now to add more depth, we will do some shading, and for that I'll be using Camlin color pencil because it is very easy to smudge. Now I'm using a stumping tool to smudge it even further so that the spread looks even. character to our Zentangle pattern, I am using a yellow color pencil to give more brightness, more vibrance, and also a pop to what we are trying to achieve here. So this is how our final Zentangle art looks. If this video gave you peace even for a single moment, then please hit like, it helps more than you know. Subscribe for more such videos and I promise that you'll enjoy each one of them. If you try this pattern, then drop a photo in comments because I read every single one. Thank you for being here. See you around next week.